Well, my name is Colin Stanley. I'm working as the Chief Operating Officer of Prague Residences. And the reason I'm in the project is when I met the founders of the company and they described their vision for growing a short-term apartmental rental business in Prague with a contactless system, the Operto system. The vision excited me. It's something I wanted to be part of going forwards. On a corporate level, we want to be not just the biggest provider of short-term accommodation in Prague, but also the best provider. And that goes right through from the product, which we're investing a lot of time and energy into, all the way down to the guest perspective, which is, can guests come to the apartment without having to go to check-in, without having to go through any other processes? We want to basically work in the 21st century. Before we implemented Operto as a system, and of course everything had to be done physically. The guest had to be on the spot, they had to receive keys, keys had to be returned, keys got lost. Everything was subject to how many people come to the reception at a particular time. With Operto, we have taken all of that away. We maximize the independence, guests are free, we can change things very, very quickly online, which means that the contactless system becomes incredibly important to how we work. We could not work without it, in all honesty. The company has moved from having 4 receptions pre-COVID to having 1 reception after COVID, with all the rest of the buildings functioning on the contactless system, with the reception as a backup, with the net result that we're saving around $10,000 a month. With Operto, we've actually been quite happy to have our weekly calls, where we discuss our feedback. Because every time you implement something, you find something which is a little different than you expected it was going to work. But we've been very happy with Operto. There's always a productive, constructive conversation in how we can improve the product and make sure that guests have as seamless a process as possible, and that we have as seamless a process as possible so we can support those guests.